What's up, y'all? JP the Install Guy here, hoping to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we have a 2001 Mazda Miata, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out or these two radio outs and put in your own radio. If this is the type of thing that you're into, please consider subscribing, because these are the things that we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, anything car audio install related. That is what this channel is about, and from time to time I like to share my car audio knowledge. So whether you're a beginner or advanced, this channel might be for you. The first thing that we actually want to do is these little covers on the left and right sides of the radio. We want to pop those off. So I'm going to get me something with a small profile so I can actually get in on the side and pop off the panels on the top left, top right, and the one right below it. Now, the most important thing that you'll need are the forward radio removal keys. You're going to actually need two sets. You're going to need to put one on each side, on the top and on the bottom. Now sometimes you may have a double den and you're going to need two sets to put both of those in, both at the same time. With this one having the ones at the top and the bottom, you probably could have got away with just using one set, taking the bottom one out first and then taking the top one out second. Next, we're just going to take off the antenna and disconnect all these harnesses. Now that we have those factory radios out, you see the dash cavity right there. Let's go ahead and get this new dash kit put inside and get everything prepped up. So this is our single den dash kit, and as you can see, it's just going to clip in because there's clips on the bottom and clips on the top. Now you can see that bar in the middle is in our way. So what we want to do is take the dash kit out and just remove that bar. It's very flimsy. And now that we have that bar removed, we can take our dash kit. There go the clips at the bottom. Those are the ones at the top. We're literally just going to push this thing in and it should snap in place. Give it a little tug. Now for this Mazda Miata, it actually has two different wire harnesses that comes with it. We're only going to use one because this one is the convertible and it only has front speakers, so we do not have to use both of them. Now this Mazda Miata did have the Bose system, so that means that the radio does not provide power to the speakers, it only sends signal. Since it does that, we can't just hook this up high level using the speaker wires. We have to install a LP74 converter so it can get that low level signal to the factory amp. There's the LP74, and here we are with the CD player already wired up. Some of you newcomers may be wondering, why did I actually go over this part? Here at the channel, we mainly do radio removal and install videos, and I like to keep things short, sweet, straight to the point, so I don't go over the wiring every single time, because as long as you buy the aftermarket wire harness for your vehicle, those colors will match the colors to your aftermarket radio, and it's going to be the same every single time. But for those who don't know what those aftermarket wire colors are, I didn't forget about you. I've made one video showing you how to wire up a CD player where I go over all of those wire colors. That link will be in the description. The car is up there in the corner. I will also give you another resource showing you how to wire up the LP74. That way we can keep these things as efficient as possible. Now, if you've cut your wire harness or bought the car used and your wire harness was cut, I do give that information to my Patreons. You guys go the extra mile and support me in the channel, so I go the extra mile supporting you by giving you behind the scenes footage and wire colors for your vehicle. You can also go to the how-to playlist to actually check out some other videos showing you how to hardwire a CD player. So now what we're going to do is actually just take the sleeve, push that sleeve inside, and then we're going to bend the tabs, and that's going to lock this sleeve in place so our radio can now be secure. And when we slide that radio in, that's what it looks like when it's all said and done. I hope you guys find some type of value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Those product links are in the description, and the Patreon link, if you want to be a furthermore supporter, is in the description as well. So until next time, this is your boy JP signing out. Y'all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you at the next car.